Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Here we are going to take this printed paper. You can also take normal craft paper in place of this. Now make multiple folds from the side and then we are going to flip it. After this we are going to hold it and twist it and give it a shape of rose flower. Let's make the ring now. So take another piece of paper, fold it and paste the flower and look, your ring is ready. Here we're going to make this beautiful design. So let's learn how you can make it at home using craft paper. Here we're going to take this red color of craft paper, make multiple fold. As you can see, we are going to cut it from the sides. After this, we're going to gently open it like we're doing here in this video and stretch it and you will get this beautiful design. Today in this video, we're going to make this beautiful rose flower. Here we're going to take old newspaper or book pages. In place of this, you can also take simple craft paper. Now we're going to put 3 of the strips together and we're going to tie it at the center using a rubber band. You can also use a thread in place of this. Now we're going to open all the petals one after another. Look like this. Your flower is ready. Take an earbud and we're going to curve the edges like this and look, it's ready. After this, we're going to take another piece of paper, cut it. Here we're going to make the sepal of the flower and put the stick at the center. Look, we are rolling the stick and we're also putting the flower on the top of it. Similarly, add the leaves of the flower as well and look, your rose flower stick is ready. First, we're going to take a card. You can take a credit card or debit card for the proper measurement. We're going to make the pouches here. So fold it and make multiple color pouches and paste all of them together. Let's make the cover now. So take any printed paper, wrap it and draw the dotted line. Similarly, we're also pasting beautiful stickers on the top of it. Decorate it further and look, it's ready. Look at this creative craft. Let's learn how you can make the piano and the stool as well. So we're going to take this beautiful printed craft paper, make multiple fold, then we're going to draw the keyboard here and look, it's done. After this, we're going to make the stool as well. So take another piece of paper, fold it from the diagonals, then from the side we're going to make crease here. Finally, we're going to fold it and tuck the paper inside like this and make a rectangular box and look, it's done. So take a A5 sheet of paper and make multiple folds from the top and bottom. After this, we're going to again hold it and make a box like this. So we're going to press it and tuck the paper inside from the sides. Look how we're doing here in this video. Make 2 holes. We're going to paste a bow and a thread and look, your mini bag is ready. We're going to make this beautiful heart-shaped bookmark. So let's get started. We're going to take this printed paper, make multiple folds from the top and make the triangular shape. Now fold it from the side. Here we're going to flip it and then we're going to finally fold it from the corners. We're going to make the heart shape here. So make multiple fold from the top and tuck the paper inside like this. Flip it. Now we're going to make the arrow here and look, it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.